YouTube, and welcome to the Middles and Pieces channel. Are we ready for an unboxing? Woo! Alright, seriously, I am so psyched about this unboxing right here. This one I am so psyched for. So today, we are looking at Stories N Stoneware by Annie Geets. I'm gonna stop saying last names. I officially quit on last names. By Andrea. Stories N Stoneware, which is so amazing. Like, if you have any questions or like curiosities about how handmade pottery is done, you have to check out Stories N Stoneware on Instagram. That link will be down below, along with the link to Annie's website, and I'll see if I can scrounge around and find an email sign up for you, because you know that's where the coupons are. That's where all of the spoiling happens, is always on the email lists. But let's get started with the box, right? Okay? We have a giant box here. Look at this. This is what happens when you order pottery. Okay? Like, I know what's in this, but it's going to be a surprise to everybody how it actually comes out. So, right. Okay? All right. So, let's get started. I got my handy dandy scissors here. All right, but before I start cutting, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button? Totally helps me out here. And while you're down there, and if you're laughing at Melissa's crazy antics, go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. All right, okay, scissors! I'm gonna hurt myself someday. That's not good. Another unboxing that I don't know if you guys should see, but I ordered lightsabers. Should we do that one? I think we should do that. Okay, but Annie, Stories N Stoneware. Because lightsabers is sci-fi, and Stories N Stoneware is all about fantasy. So, like, she even did this big event in August called Smogust. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it was a Lord of the Rings, like, dragon Smog event. And it was awesome. So if you are a Tolkien fan, if you are a general fantasy fan, you totally need to check out Annie. So I'm pretty sure that this mug that I ordered is kind of plain, because my sister is kind of not, she's not plain, she just appreciates fine line things. So we didn't need a unicorn on it. But alright, so we did box number one. I'm probably opening this from the wrong side, honestly. But my address is on the other side. And the only way you can see my address is if you order from me. So, we're moving right along. And whoosh, packing peanuts. My nemesis. We're gonna make a mess. The studio's already a mess. Why? Okay. Did you hear my ghost poop story? Have you heard that one? Should I tell it again? Yeah, I'm gonna tell it again. So, when I was little, mind you, all of my family are entrepreneurs, and my dad runs a machine shop. Not auto, like tractors and fabrication stuff. So he's ordering things every day, and we have boxes coming in every day. Yes, we're very close with our UPS driver, all of them. And when I was little, I did not understand the terms like packing peanuts. It didn't make no sense to me. So Dad got creative, and when I asked what all of the chip thingies right here in the box were, he called it ghost poop. Ghost poop. And to this day, it truly remains ghost poop. I mean, that's just what it is. And now you will never think of them as packing peanuts again. I think these might be the ones that are biodegradable. I'm not fully sure. And maybe Annie has a note on if I open this from the right side instead of the bottom, but we shall see. And I'm gonna make a mess. Oh no. Oh dear God. Garbage. Where's my garbage? Garbage. We're gonna dump this first. Boom. Back to that one. Okay. What else is in here? What else we got? We got a box. There's a note in the box. So, let's get, oh, there's a note. There's a card. We'll get to that stuff next. Okay. I think that's everything. Alright, this is not getting tossed. That is not the kind of confetti that's fun. And confetti in a studio is never fun. Okay. Alright, last packing peanuts. That I threw anyway. In the garbage. Okay. Alright. We got this. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so we got lots of papers. And we got a card. So let's take a look at the card first. So here we go. This is Andrea. We have Stories N Stoneware. How to care for your ceramics. Please allow a piece to be room temperature before adding boiling water. So I guess like don't put your cup in the... Don't leave it outside and then hope to come in. All right. Dishwasher, microwave safe, but hand washing will extend the life of the piece. Good to know. Please avoid stacking. I'll have to tell my sister that because we stack all our mugs. And please avoid placing in the oven, stove, or freezer. Who does that? Maybe I'm boring. I don't know. I don't get that one, but that's okay. It wouldn't be, if people didn't do it, it wouldn't be on here. So, all right, we're setting that to the side. And what do we got over here? Let's see. Is this one a receipt? Yep, that's a receipt from her website. Okay, you guys don't need to see the receipt. And what's this one? We got another one. Oh, I feel business cards in it. What do we got? So, Stories N Stoneware. Cherry Tree in the Moonlight by Annie. Okay, and we'll take a look at how adorable, like, everything matches so nicely here. Stories N Stoneware LLC, handmade mugs and teaware. And on the back, it says, infusing enchantment into your everyday. Lovely! We got Facebook, we got Instagram, we got the website, and this piece is from... I'm guessing that's, like, for gifting. I'm guessing this piece is from with a blank spot. That should be for gifting. Okay, so there's that one. We got 2 of those cards. Very good. So, Cherry Tree in the Moonlight. Oh, is this a poem? By Annie. Yay! Standing beneath the glow of the full moon, I noticed everything cast in shadow. Minus one little sliver of light shining on a lone cherry tree. The soft pink pastels glowing as they scatter in the wind like little fairies floating in the sky. They sway and twirl and frolic in the moonlight, as if creating a dance, until they fall once more into the shadows of the night. Yay! That was beautiful, Annie. Thank you! I don't think I've gotten a chance to read poetry since grad school, because I have a master's in writing, so I wrote a lot of poetry and read it. But that was lovely. Oh, I have to put that in the package for Allie. All right. Okay, so we got... my other nemesis, tape. Okay, here come the scissors. We got them. We got handy dandy scissors. And we are going, this is like surgery. Oh my God, is this like surgery? Where do I even start? Okay, I found a piece of tape. It's like find a piece of tape and a lip. Can we get in there? This literally feels like surgery. The question I always have is like, is there one crucial piece of tape that if you cut that one, the rest of it just kind of pops right on open? Or not? Oh, how cool would it be? This is just an idea, Annie. If, like, you got the arrow stickers where instead of saying sign here, it says cut here for your tape. Ooh. That's cool. Cut. Cut. Okay. It's like it's pottery. I don't want to pull on anything. Okay. What do we got? Believe it or not, I am not that person on Christmas who has to like peel back every piece of tape. I enjoy ripping into the paper. This kind of feels a little bit like the... Has anyone played that holiday game? We haven't played it, but we've always wanted to. Where you put like a prize and then you wrap it in saran. You make a ball of saran wrap around it. And then you put like other smaller prizes and however big you make the ball. And then it goes on a timer and everyone has like 30 seconds or whatever. They're trying to unwind the ball and you win whatever prizes are... Oh, okay. Moving right along. Because my camera is also running out of time. Storage space. Too many pictures of my nephew on here, but like I don't know how to cut them. Okay. Alright. Tape. What do we got? What do we got? You gotta have that issue too with like kids and pets. Kids and pets. I can't get rid of any of the photos of kids and pets. Okay, so we got layer 2 of bubble wrap. This really feels like that game. But like you can't go super fast, even though we're on the clock. Oh, I can start to see it. Can you see it? Layer 3. Away. Layer 4. Away. Oh, that totally landed on me. Layer 5. 5 layers of bubble wrap. But here we go. Here we go. Looky, looky. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous mug. Oh my god. Can you see? I don't know if the other one is showcasing the glaze color swell. Oh, it looks so good with my lipstick. So pretty. Oh my god, Annie, you outdid yourself. This is stunning. Now, my sister has this very peculiar thing. Everyone in my family likes different kinds of mugs. My sister likes ones that are shaped like honey pots. So that have this bowl and then lip. That's what my sister loves. I like everything I drink from has to have a flared lid, and they usually have to be white. My mother can drink from anything, and my dad just needs a straight, standard size mug. But my sister likes the honey pot shape. And look at, can you see this little flare right here? It's so cute. Is that like a thumb rest right there? I love it. Oh my god. And look at this color. Depending on how the light hits it, we have like this gorgeous, rich purple going on here. And also some hints of blue, some hints of orange. And at some spots and some lights, it's looking quite pink. So let me get this down here for you guys to see. This is a massive mug. Do you see how huge this is? This is going to be quite an epic or alcoholic cup of tea. I'm not sure yet which she will go for. But there we go. This is the work of Annie from Stories N Stoneware. So if you want mugs like this, or if you want just general tips on tea infusion, how to incorporate tea into your life, you totally got to check out Stories N Stoneware. Link will be below. In the description, we will also have, we'll have the link to Annie's website. We'll have the link to her email sign up so you guys can get on there and find out all the deliciousness that she has in store. And yeah, there we go. All right, have some tea. I will cheers. Cheers, Beastie, clink. All right, I'll talk to you in the next one. Make sure to comment below if you love this, if you're going to support Annie, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.